Have you wondered how it is like to grow your own herbs in the kitchen and make recipes directly out of it? I've always been fascinated by how easy it is to grow your own garlic, and when I discovered how simple it is, I just had to give it a try. So, let's start at the very beginning and grow our garlic. It is simple and fun. All you need are a few cloves from a healthy garlic bulb, just like this. Gently peel them, being careful not to damage the clove itself. Now, grab a glass or a jug with a narrow opening and fill it with water. We're going to create a little hydroponic setup. Take a water bottle, cut off the top, and invert it into the jug, so the opening is just barely touching the water. This will be our little garlic greenhouse. Now carefully place the garlic cloves in the bottle, making sure the bottom of each clove is just kissing the water. Now find a nice, sunny spot for your little garlic garden. A windowsill is perfect. Over the next few days, get ready to be amazed. You'll start to see little green shoots popping up, reaching for the light. Then, you'll notice the roots forming at the bottom, drinking up the water. In about a week or so, you'll have fully grown garlic greens, bursting with flavor and nutrients, all without any pesticides. Look at those beautiful roots and shoots. These shoots are so tender and flavorful. They have anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties and are great for boosting your immune system. It's truly amazing what you can grow at home. Since we're just using the shoots for this recipe, growing them in water is perfect. It's harvest time. Let's carefully cut the garlic shoots, making sure not to disturb the cloves. These cloves will actually regrow, giving you another batch of fresh greens in a week or two. How cool is that? These homegrown garlic shoots are so versatile. You can use them in so many dishes. Today, we're making delicious and healthy garlic beetroot and carrot bread. This recipe combines the goodness of fresh garlic, vibrant beetroot, and carrots into a wholesome delight. In a bowl, we'll start with 120 milliliters of lukewarm water and add half a spoon of salt. Give it a good mix. Gradually add 2 cups of all-purpose flour. Mix it all together until a soft dough forms. Now cover the bowl and let the dough rest for about 15 to 20 minutes. While our dough is resting, let's prepare the stuffing. First, finely chop those beautiful homegrown garlic shoots. Just smell that aroma. It's incredible. Now let's shred some carrots. Carrots are a great source of beta-carotene, which our bodies convert to vitamin A, essential for good vision, immune function, and cell growth. They're also rich in antioxidants and dietary fiber. Now let's add some beetroot. We'll peel it and then shred it. Beetroots are nutritional powerhouses loaded with essential nutrients, including folate, manganese, and vitamin C. They're packed with antioxidants, which protect our cells from damage. They're also a good source of nitrates, which can help lower blood pressure and improve athletic performance. They're also full of fiber, folate, potassium, iron, and vitamin C. Now let's combine all of our delicious ingredients. Add salt and a pinch of red pepper for a little kick. If you'd like, you can add some grated cheese for extra flavor. If you're keeping it vegan, just omit the cheese. Finally, add about half a cup of freshly chopped parsley or cilantro. Now give everything a good mix. This stuffing is bursting with flavor and goodness. The earthy sweetness of the beetroot, the slight peppery notes of the garlic shoots, and the sweetness of the carrots combine beautifully. Our dough has rested nicely. Let's knead it a couple of times to make it nice and smooth. Now divide the dough into smaller pieces and roll them into small balls. Then, roll each ball out into a circular disc, kind of like a flatbread. Now, make a cut from the center to the edge. Place the stuffing on about 3/4 of the bread. Now carefully fold the bread over the stuffing, creating a nice little parcel. Make sure to seal the edges well so the filling doesn't spill out during cooking. Now, let's cook our bread. Heat a little oil in a pan, just a very small amount. Remember, we are trying to keep this recipe healthy. Place the bread in the pan and brush a little oil on the top surface as well. Cook them until they turn a beautiful golden brown. Flip them occasionally to ensure they're cooked through on both sides. And there you have it. Our delicious, healthy, and homemade garlic beetroot bread is ready. This bread is so flavorful and satisfying, and because it's made with such wholesome ingredients and very little oil, you can enjoy it completely guilt-free. Serve this warm with your favorite dip. The combination is absolutely irresistible. Don't forget to check out my other videos for easy homemade dips to pair with this. I hope you loved this recipe as much as I loved making it for you. Try it out at home and let me know how it turns out in the comments below. Until next time, happy cooking!